In this video, I am going to show you how to send a snap from your camera roll as a normal snap. To send a snap from your camera roll as a normal snap, you can follow this quick and easy step. Start off by launching your Snapchat application on your device. Now over here, you need to click on the search icon that is at the bottom. Once you're in the search option, you can search for keywords such as photo gallery or similar. Tap on any of the suggested ones. Now from here, locate the photo that you wish to send as a snap, then click on the icon. As you can see, it has created a snap. If you tap on Send To, it will send it as a normal snap. Now let's go ahead and check it out. As you can see, this right here is the one that we recently sent. And as you can see, straight from your camera roll, it has been sent as a normal snap. Isn't it simple? If you face any difficulty regarding the process, you can check your Play Store or App Store to see if there are any updates available. And that's it. Subscribe, it's free.